Hey y'all, it's Randy with Tech Rescue, and today I'm going to show you how to add Chrome extensions to your Opera browser. The reason for wanting to know how to do this is there's a lot of, let's just call them potential privacy issues, haha, with Chrome. Um, we are told and can assume it's correct, and probably, I believe it is, that actual people aren't snooping into what we're doing when we use Chrome, but that doesn't mean that AI is not snooping into what we do when we're using Chrome, and that AI won't use what we do to service ads or, tweak search results or this or that. And I'm just not a big fan of that. So for potential privacy issues, I prefer to use Firefox or Opera as my main browser. Now, I've recently kind of learned how to re-love Opera again. It's super, super fast. It's very lightweight. I don't feel like it's bogging down my computer at all. I couple it with DuckDuckGo as my search engine, and it's like I'm not obviously the biggest privacy freak in the whole world, but on the other hand, why give away extra information when I don't have to? So I love using Opera, and one of the biggest drawbacks has been my favorite extensions aren't available for Opera. And so, that's kind of held me back. And, there's times when I have to use Chrome. There's times when I have to use Chrome just because my extensions aren't available in Opera. Well, the other day I found something really, really cool, and I've been using it for several days now, and it's worked great. And that's the ability to add Chrome extensions to Opera. So, first off, you'll see in this tab, I have the Chrome Web Store open, and down here it says available on Chrome. If you click there, I assume it would open up Chrome. So what you want to do to install this extension onto Opera and other extensions like it in the Chrome Web Store is you want to go to this particular add-on in the Opera add-ons. I'll put the link in the description below, but it's called Install Chrome Extensions made by Opera, bada bing, bada boom. So go ahead and add it to Opera. It'll take a couple of seconds, and then boom, it's installed. And you'll notice the Chrome Web Store, it refreshed. And now on the Chrome Web Store, the extensions say add to Opera. So I'm going to add, this is the one that I missed the most. It doesn't seem like much, but Traffic Light by Bitdefender, I'm sure it'll be on Opera one day, but it's just not right now. So add to Opera. It's going to pop up a message that you'll need to go to extensions and confirm the installation and all this. This actually will happen automatically, so I'll just say OK. It opens up extensions. It's already here, but it's not installed, so you'll want to say install, and boom, it's installed. So I'm going to allow it in private mode, and I'm going to allow it access to my search page results and URLs, obviously, because I want it to work. So boom, there you have it. I just installed the Traffic Light extension on Opera. So another one that I really like is AdBlock Plus, and I know there's a million of these even on Opera, but I really like this one, the adblockplus.org, because they don't block every single ad. They block ads that don't follow certain standards, and web people need to get paid too, and sometimes how they do it is buy ads. So I typically don't block everything. I like this because it allows, like I said, ads that follow standards. So add to Opera, it'll pop up this notification, and I would say, some people like to, stop this from happening. Don't. Just say OK, and it will automatically take you to the extension page where there it is right at the top. So I'm just going to say install, yes, install, and then it pops up your installation is successful. I'm going to allow it in private mode and access to search results and URLs. You don't necessarily want to do that for every single extension. You don't need to, but for this one I want to. So boom, there you have it. We have the obviously I'm using LastPass natively, and we have Traffic Light and AdBlock Plus installed in my Opera browser, And this little box here is the whole this extension we first installed, the install Chrome extensions. It runs right here, so you're going to start seeing that little box. Anyway, that is it. Like I said, it's pretty simple. I've not had any issues with it. I haven't had any issues with slowing down Opera. The one thing that Opera needs now is second level authentication on syncing passwords between different devices. They don't offer that, so it's kind of a non-starter there, but I use LastPass, so we're good. Anyway, thanks so much for tuning in. We really appreciate y'all watching our videos. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know when we get new videos that are posted for you. Also, if you have any questions or comments, be sure to put them down below and we'll answer them. Thanks so much for tuning in, and y'all have a great rest of your day.